Welcome to 2026, where the distance between a thought and a finished design is virtually zero. Welcome to Login Helps. We've seen the landscape shift from simple filters to fully autonomous creative partners. If you're still using old-school manual tools, you're working 10 times harder than you need to. Today we're counting down the top 5 AI design tools that are defining this year. Let's dive in. First on our list is the undisputed king of photorealism, Midjourney V7. In 2026, Midjourney has moved beyond Discord and into a sleek, conversational web app. With its new personalization mode, the AI learns your specific aesthetic over time. Whether you need hyper-realistic product shots or cinematic concept art, V7's ability to handle complex lighting and character consistency makes it the go-to for world-class creators. It's no longer just an AI, it's an artist that understands your soul. Number 2 is the industry workhorse, Adobe Firefly 4. What sets Firefly apart in 2026 is its commercially safe guarantee and its deep integration into the Creative Cloud. Its most mind-blowing feature this year? Generative vector fill. You can now describe a complex pattern, and Firefly creates editable, professional-grade vectors inside Illustrator. For designers who need precision, scalability, and legal peace of mind, Firefly remains the gold standard. If you've ever struggled with AI making gibberish text, those days are over thanks to Ideogram 3.0. This is the absolute best tool for graphic design and branding in 2026. Ideogram understands typography better than any other model, rendering clear, beautiful, and complex text in any style you can imagine. From logo design to social media posters, Ideogram handles layouts and fonts with 95% accuracy on the first try. It's a game changer for marketers and small business owners. Coming in at number 4 is Leonardo.ai and its groundbreaking Phoenix model. Leonardo isn't just an image generator, it's a full-scale digital studio. Its real-time canvas allows you to sketch a basic shape, while the AI transforms it into a finished painting in live view. In 2026, their blueprint system allows you to save specific design frameworks, ensuring that every image in your campaign has the exact same style and character. It's versatility and power in one package. Rounding out our list is OpenAI's DALL E 4, integrated directly into ChatGPT. While Midjourney is about art, DALL E 4 is about logic. It is the smartest tool for following complex, multi-step instructions. You can talk to it like a creative director, refining your design through simple conversation. In 2026, its spatial reasoning is perfect. If you tell it to put an object behind the third tree from the left, it does it exactly. It's the perfect companion for brainstorming and rapid ideation. Most of these tools offer free trials, so there's no excuse not to start building. Which one of these AI partners are you adding to your workflow? Let us know in the comments below. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to Login Helps.